At 7:22, we're going to see both cameras go on. I want to read you what DJI has mentioned. Hi there. Please verify that the time set is at least 30 seconds after the current system time. The scheduled start time must be at least 30 seconds later than the current system time. If the scheduled time is correct, but the automatic shooting still cannot be triggered, send us the log report. So here we are, 30 seconds prior to the set time. DJI should come on. We set it up at 7:22, both cameras, and we'll see what Insta360 looks like as well as a comparison. Here we go. We may be off by a couple of seconds, give or take. I'm not sure if the camera is going to work. I'll let it play out past 7:22. Insta360 comes on 10 seconds prior with the 8-second plus countdown. And we'll record for 5 minutes minimum and shut down. DJI has not. I am going to cancel this out by hitting the button. I won't be able to, yes I will, swipe down, go to the schedule, and turns off. And these are all the things we have in here. And this is the first time I set this up. So let me close off the screen and out of the way. Let's turn on the DJI. At 7:22, we are scheduled. It's 7:22, 7:23.